New tonight, Ohio lawmakers are pushing to change a law impacting millions of Ohioans. Right now, death in Ohio can cost you more than your life. It may also cost you your home.
Well, these three people were all on Medicaid, and when they passed away, their loved ones were left with a bill that they had to repay and didn't know it. Tonight, 10 TV is seeking solutions for them and others on Medicaid right now.
10 TV's Kevin Landers explains how a bill filed today plans to fix this and why many feel misled by a program they thought was free.
Everything.
Everything. That's what Bob Weldon misses the most about his brother Phil. At the age of 63, Phil died from cancer.
When he was diagnosed with this cancer, I told him, I said, I'm with you until the end.
His brother's death
I've done a lot of research.
sent him on a 5-year crusade
I've done a lot of reading.
to right what he says is a wrong in Ohio law, a law that could impact millions of Ohioans 55 years or older.
I believe he's right here. He's pushing me.
Pushing him to alert people about Medicaid's Estate Recovery Clause.
People who sign up for this have no idea that this comes with a payback.
Weldon says Medicaid billed his brother $3,570 for 2 months of coverage. He says he was assured by state agents the coverage was free.
Are you sure there's no expense or any cost to this? Not a dime, Mr. Weldon, not a dime.
Medicaid isn't free. The federal government is required by law to claw back money spent on health expenses, especially for those 55 and older who receive long-term care. A special counsel working with the Ohio Attorney General's office sends a letter like this to collect the debt. Since 2017, the AG's office has clawed back tens of millions of dollars every year. 2024 saw a record $94 million collected from those with an outstanding Medicaid bill.
The Medicaid Estate Recovery claim is $67,604.28. Well, this really blindsided me.
Pastor Bradley Plaisted's wife, Nanette, died from breast cancer in 2022 at the age of 65. Under the law, the state can't collect money from a surviving spouse, but that didn't stop the state from sending him a collection letter.
I don't have $67,000. And if I lose my house, there's nothing I can do.
He filed a federal lawsuit to have the lien on his home removed.
Do you think that the people that are selling Medicaid plans are preying on the most vulnerable?
Yeah, I think so. They're not telling us anything.
Teresa Head Gordon found herself in the same boat when her mother, Betty, died.
On the very last day of probate, the state came in with a $195,000 bill.
She says her mother, who was living independently, signed up for Medicaid that allowed her to stay in her home rather than a nursing home.
$48,000 a year for a person who's making $12,000 on Social Security.
She says her mother was solicited to sign up over the phone.
I think this is predatory.
We took their concerns about the Medicaid program to state lawmakers.
People are quitting their private insurance, applying for Medicaid under the impression that it's free health care. And at the end of the day, it's not.
Democrat State Representative Sean Brennan, along with Republican Jeff LaRae,
I didn't know anything about it,
are co-sponsors of a bill looking to fix the law. The bill would require clear notification that Medicaid dollars need to be paid back.
It can't just be a simple sentence buried in 40 pages of documentation.
We contacted Ohio's Medicaid program for comment. The office declined. Meanwhile, Bob Weldon is on a mission to change Ohio law so others who feel misinformed or misled by Medicaid don't end up with a surprise bill while grieving the loss of a loved one.
I'm going to do my damnedest to get it fixed. I can tell you that. And I believe there's millions in this country that have signed up for stuff like this that have no idea that it comes with a payback.
Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.
All right, so what can you do to protect your money? Well, first, prepare early by contacting an estate attorney. They can help you create a Medicaid estate trust, which can protect what you own. You can also deed your home to your living spouse, and we have more details on Kevin's story on our webpage at 10tv.com, so it's worth taking a look at that if you are on Medicare or you have a loved one on Medicare.